Hello and welcome to more awesome collection, classic toys. Today we're going to be looking at Voyage to the Sea, Magic Eyes story set by Tru-View. It was like Viewmaster, but instead of it being in a round flat cartridge in the little machine you'd click and look at, these were basically rectangular and would go in. If you'd like, please subscribe, hit that notification bell, reply and like. Let's take a look here. These are from 1965. This is mint and packaged in the original cellophane. See the remnants of a price sticker there. The logo is kind of obscured for Voyage. There's the mighty Seaview and a huge octopus. Oh my goodness. 1965 Cambridge Productions, 20th Century Fox Television. Let's take a look here. Take a look at the back, and then we'll take a closer look on what they're saying there. And then we'll take a closer look on all the things they're mentioning. You can see the pictures there. This was kind of neat. So totally different packaging, because a Viewmaster would come in a pack about that big with a solid picture, and you take them out, and then there'd be the 3 cards. Let's take a look here. 21 stereo pictures, 3 color story cards, brilliant Kodak film, complete stereo picture story in true D film. This is so much fun. Way back then, way before these smartphones and internet and everything they have now and video games, for use with Magic Eyes stereo viewer. Let's take a look here. Some nice artwork. There's Captain Crane with Admiral Nelson coming away from the diving bell, and you can see some of the color pictures in there. I'll try to hold those up to the light in a moment, see if we see any better. The nuclear submarine Seaview with Admiral Nelson and Commander Crane and charged past on the surface of the Caribbean Sea. Its officers and crew little suspect what dangers awaited them. All here they got it dated 66, so it's even later. The show aired from 1964 to 68, a solid 4 seasons, 110 episodes. That's 1 season, and a lot more episodes than Lost in Space or Star Trek, its contemporaries. Dobbs and Hawkins must have tampered with the winch, says Nelson. Find them. But the 2 criminals by this time had managed to find the ship's arsenal. So those were guest actors, and this is from a specific episode. Oh, look at him, the Seaway Monster. This is the same story they show in the Viewmaster. I have that, so when I get that out, I'll do a video on that. The Seaway slipped down into the murky depths to face a monster so big it could seize and crush the submarine like a plaything. Oh, look at him. Let's see if we can see anything. Oh, look, we can see something. I see him there working one of the winch. There's the seaweed monster. See his big 2 shiny round eyes? I believe the villain in this is that actor there. That's Nehemiah Persoff. He was in a lot of things in the 60s and 70s. At least saw him in a lot of shows, especially like Mission Impossible and so forth. And other times he'd play like a gangster. Usually played a bad guy. There's the flying sub. There's the monster again. Take a look here. He's having trouble on the Seaview. There's the Admiral. There he is. There he is. There's the money shot, as they say. See him? The Seaview's being held by the seaweed monster. Of course, when you look through these through the viewer, they'd be big size, and you can read the thing. So that's pretty cool. A very fun show. First season was black and white. The other 3 seasons were color. If you've never seen one, I'd recommend checking it out, especially one of the later color ones that came a little bit less serious than the first season and had lots of cool aliens and monsters. Here they're telling you how to use it. here's some of the other things they mentioned. Mary Poppins, Beverly Hillbillies, Bonanza. And here they are. See all the names here. Lots of cartoons. The Flintstones were very cool. That was a primetime television show, and it's 6 years from 1960 to 66. And look at this. Sawyer's put out the Viewmaster before it became GAF in the 1970s, so it's kind of confusing. Did they make two different ways to present them? It's odd. Tru-View. Portland, Oregon. Attington. So very nice. So look, it's unpunched in there, still sealed in a cellophane. So this was old store stock. Very cool collectible. This is a lot harder to find than the Viewmaster. The Viewmaster is nice because even though it's much smaller, it has a nice color picture of the seaweed monster and the ship. All right, until next time, more awesome collection, pop culture edition, for Classic TV shows, classic toys. Thank you for watching.